Alright guys, it's early on a Sunday morning. You know what that means. We're going to a Cars and Coffee. It's going to be a good day. So we're going to take the Fox body. We just did some engine work to it yesterday. Seems like it's running pretty good. Put about 10 more degrees of timing in it. Because ironically enough, you don't know, your Fox body doesn't really like 5 degrees initial of timing. It's really kind of a turd at that. When you're trying to align it between 10 and 20 degrees of timing, because there's not necessarily a good mark for 15, don't mark your balancer because it's a cheap O'Reilly's one that doesn't have really good laser etched marks in it. You can barely read it. And then time it between 0 and 10 and not 10 and 20. So I did that. And so that's why it's been so slow over these entire probably few months of driving, is it has literally 0 timing in it. It's 10 degrees shy of what it should have been. Now typically you want this thing between 12 and 15 degrees. I think right now it's at like 14. It's way faster, like way faster. Runs pretty good. I have not cold started it yet, so I'm curious what it's gonna do, so I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up.
That's crazy, you can actually hear the little cam it's got. So check this thing out, since I actually put some timing in it. Oh, it's not running right. Out of nowhere, it'll just break up really bad. It sounds like it's sitting on two-step. It's just like, and it just won't go anywhere. Alright, let's try this again. Actually with timing this time. Oh, that's not good. That was clutch. Oh, I smell it too, damn it. That sucks. That was the clutch. That 1-2 shift was all clutch. I don't want to be in front. Ain't a bad group of guys, dude. It's a pretty cool group of cars. Group of guys. Look at that. Oh, I got an 8.6. Nice, I like it. Retro, that's cool. Got some M&A, that's kind of weird. This man's on a freaking ruckus, dude. That thing's nice, I like that.
Yeah, there we go. That's nice. Oh, that's really good. The entire like SD Stangs group is over there. I didn't realize that. So there's an entire Mustang club of just, I mean, it's mostly S197s and S550s, but hey, not the only one. Got some new edges here, got some Corvettes. It's not bad. You got like your Euro side over there, you got your American side kind of in the center area, and then you have all like the imports on the outside, so kind of cool at least. Oh, these are the wheels I wanted. I don't know, you guys think I should get those for the Fox?
Yep, that's the auto one. That's right, that's it right there.
It's in that spec too. So that spec on my car was squared in all 4 corners and then flared out. I think that would look really good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do those. I like that a lot. Yeah, I definitely need to get a Terminator one day. I think that's what I'll get after the Fox. Trade up, get one of these. Either that or a Shelby, one of the two. Oh, there's the other Street Hunter, Supra. They have all these XD things, Mustangs. Check that out. It just keeps going. It's all the way down there. Nice. Oh, you don't see these very often. Look at that. Right-hand drive. Oh, that's cool. That's a daily and a half. Clean FD too. On works. Ooh. And Meister's nice. Damn, that is tight.
Oh, hey, I know you.
Alright, this is sick.
This is like my kind of car. You don't see these very often. It's a 190E and it's got a Cosworth kit on it.
It's missing the wing, but damn, that's a cool looking car.
Corvette. Damn, chopping oil. Yeah, you like the little Hot Wheel?
Nice. Yeah, it's stock. Dang, man, they brought the 40s back.
Wow, this is a cool Mustang, dude.
Yeah, thanks, man.
I like
Appreciate it.
Yeah, it's got a big lion blower in it too, unlike the car over there.
Yeah.
40 roll up later.
Can you even get the 40?
No,
Eventually.
looking at how
It's gotta take like 10.
Downhill with a tailwind.
Nice.
towed by a Mustang.
Oh, that's sick.
Just looking at the stout and cast.
Oh, this is cool. Supercharged on BBS's. Oh, that's sick. It's not all stanced out. It's actually functional. It's got a carbon roof. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I like that. This is what I want. This thing's sick. I'm so jealous. Oh, it's a Super Snake too. I didn't even see that. There's a lot of Mustangs now I'm looking at it. You never see Pintos. Oh, this is sick.
A 302 in one of these things?
Would haul. Oh, and he got a freaking bug with an Ecotech in it.
Ecotech swap.
Dang, this thing's beefy. V-locks, 30. Those are 35s. Dang, that's a color. Dang, this thing's baller. And the center console.
Looks comfy.
This thing's cool. It's got like a subtle wide body. Very subtle, like 3-inch flare maybe 2-inch flare. Oh, I like this thing a lot. I've seen this at a couple car meets. It's just like super clean. And it's black and it's actually clean. Yeah, I like that. That's a nice wide body. I like the wheels on this thing. Oh dang, see a star on. That is shiny.
Good. Turbo. Probably the bakery road.
Nice. Named John got that Carbon 01.
Dang, man, you got carbon everything.
Carbon on carbon on carbon.
Carbon on carbon.
Surprised I haven't fucked that lip up yet.
I was gonna say, I'm surprised it's still there.
Oh, it's an STO, nice.
I talked to him.
Are you gonna show me a real car?
Show you a real car.
Yeah, it doesn't do shit in first and second. It just spins.
Yeah, it just blows the tires off.
And what were your tires on it? Like a 315?
345, I think.
Really? Damn.
Yeah.
He's a grandpa driver.
Yeah.
Under the speed limit, 500 everywhere.
I'm not worried about
You keep it under 100?
Oh, totally.
Why?
Because I've already done 200 in it.
Damn. These guys really like being loud for no reason. 335. Spins it like it's nothing. Damn.
I don't know, I might have to get one of these.
Can't afford one yet, but damn.
Gonna miss all the ponies here.
I'll be back. We're need it.
I love the Shelbys. I'm gonna get another one again someday, but these cars are just like, I love the way they handle. The whole fucking geometry with these cars just works, you know.
Yeah.
This is the LS9 was, you know, factory forged. LS motor. It's kind of based off the LS3 in a way.
It just works.
It works, man. They're reliable. I've seen people put some real fucking power through these LS9s, and they actually, you know, work. As long as it's tuned right, you don't cheap out on shit, you do everything the way you're supposed to do, they run good.
Yeah.
You're not gonna f this motor up.
Nope.
But spin on a 50, huh?
Oh yeah. I mean, don't get me wrong, that car is fast.
Yeah, no, it's fast.
That car probably weighs 500 pounds more too, at least. You know what this car weighs?
It's supposed to be 3,100, I think.
Yeah, that's light.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Got all these Carmen kids are in there, live action.
Yeah, I mean, people.
Well, dude, thank you a bunch. Holy crap. What a badass ride.
You got my Ford brain kind of like turning on me. I'm like, I don't know what to do. This thing's crazy.
It's a little foggy right now, right?
Yeah, a little foggy.
Hey, I still love my Fords. I am a diehard Ford guy, you know. But you know,
this car, Ford guy or not, I don't care what car you like, you can like this car.
Yeah, this is just one of those cars, man.
Yeah. This ain't no Grand Sport, New Balance, jean short wearing Corvette.
Yeah, definitely.
So these.
Take up the clear glass, it'd be good.
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh yeah. So it's a non-intercooled blower? It's not intercooled, right?
Yeah, this.
Oh, it is? I don't know a damn thing about Corvettes,
They have
obviously.
like the heat exchanger and everything.
Oh, okay, yeah. That's what I figured.
Help out with that.
Damn. But it gets hot under that glass. That's for
Yeah,
sure.
you can tell.
Yeah.
Alright guys, and just like that, we're back home. Man, what a day. I did not think that the day was going to turn like that. If you asked me this morning if that was what I was going to be doing, I would have said no way. But I'm glad I did. So massive shout out to John. That is a fast car. He's an amazing driver. Like I said, that car only has, I think, just a pulley and headers, and that's it. Car's very fast, boiled 335s like it was nothing. And I want to also keep in mind that the cars we were running with were not slow. That was a Pro-Charged S550 as well as a Terminator swapped Saleen Mustang. So those are two very fast cars. But that 01, man, I'm not a Corvette guy, not really a GM guy, you guys know this, but if there's one GM platform vehicle I actually could have a desire to own, it's that car and that carbon package and that color. It's an amazing car and it proved itself. I've always wanted to experience one and now I did. So a lot of people ask me what's the fastest car I've been in. I think that one takes the cake. So that being said, thank you guys a ton for watching today's video. I'm gonna get cracking on the Galaxy. I'll kind of give you a little bit of a rundown of what we got going on in a future video here. So we got the last box to start putting my engine together in my F100s. We can finally start doing that this week. And then as you can see over here, we got some wiring going on. So I'm getting all the harness and the engine bay figured out, pulling the front half of the motor off, doing the accessory drive, making it look just awesome for this thing so we can get it out to paint pretty soon here. But hope you guys went on and enjoyed today's video. Leave a like if you did enjoy it. I don't know, I might have to get rid of some cars here once some of these other ones are done and maybe get a Corvette. I don't know. What do you guys think? No, I'm just kidding. But realistically, thank you guys a ton for watching today's video. As always, go ahead and get your merch at 909speedcompany.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.